Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 10 trades. Today's date is July 31st and I'm using my pip trigger trading system. This system uses the Hull moving average along with the goal line here, and down at the bottom has momentum indicators. And don't forget, I added after about 4 months after I did the videos, the training videos, I added, or I received this super signal right here, the super signal. Now the Hull has a built-in alert. If I scroll down a bit, you'll see it's either changing up or down, the Hull trend. Please stick around until the end of the video for a special offer that ends at midnight today. That's July 31st at midnight. Make sure you get your hands on the special offer. So every morning at 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments, and of course I take a look at my daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor, and once I know I want to be buying or selling, I'll either put an up or a down white arrow. As you can see, did some buys and sells today, all taken directly from my daily trade plan. Now here is the daily trade plan. It's a screenshot from earlier. As you can see, every one here was taken directly from my daily trade plan. Would not trade without one, and my mentor told me about 16 years ago, traders who trade without a daily trade plan, they're doomed to fail. You don't have to have this one. I had quite a few different daily trade plans. I used to do this manually in a Word document. Would take me about 30 minutes to put it together. But now I just open it up and it's running 24 hours a day. If the market is open, it's giving these readings all the different time frames from the 30 minutes and up, and it's suggesting what I should be looking for. Now this is preset to let you know for day trading. I'm a day trader. I want to get in, collect my 200 or more pips or ticks, close out the trades all within a few hours. You can change the settings if you're a swing trader, and of course you can change the settings again if you are a position trader. So if you have any questions about the daily trade plan, well, just Skype me. We can talk live and I'll answer your questions. So now we can get into these trades. Took them all, well, definitely before 8 o'clock, between 7 and 8, and I closed them all out at various times here, as you can see. Looks like all around 9, either 5, 6, or 7. So I closed them all out pretty close. All I do is I look at the totals, and once I know I've got 200 or more pips and ticks, and today I know I'm going to be well over that because of this DAX 30 right here. So once I am happy, I close out the trades, and I don't care if the market keeps moving in my favor. So now we can go through these on this Euro CAD. Just gonna drag and drop it up. So this super signal arrow, I really love it, as it helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles. So this is a cycle going down. Anyhow, let's see where got in at a little bit after, because this is where I saw it. The Hull turned red. Took the trade at this cursor, and as I mentioned earlier, closed it out, being happy. Looks like with about 16. That 16 pips paid out $121. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, the Euro Aussie. Another one I wanted to be selling. There's the arrow directly from the daily trade plan. We've got 3 sell arrows, red arrows here. I knew it was going to go down. Did qualify for a great way to trade, as I teach within the training videos. Let's see where I got in at. This is where I pull the trigger, and this is where I close it out, locking in about 20. And those 20 pips paid $140. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. Now this one pays $5 for each tick. They're called ticks. And let's see where I got in at. Drag and drop this up. Everything qualified, looking great. As I teach within a great way to trade, there's your super signal arrow. Hull is red or blue. Got in at this point, and now what I did was I took the money and divided it by 5. That's what it pays, $5 for each tick. Calculator says it should be 35 ticks. So let's go and see if we can find that. There it is right there, 35. You remove the last digit, and those 35 ticks paid $175. Moving right along to the next trade, the pound CAD. There's the arrow. Wanted to be selling directly from the daily trade plan. Let's see where I got in at. We got a sell arrow here, sell arrow here. Did a tiny bit of a pullback, but that wasn't very much. And I closed out the trade at this location, being happy with, looks like about 23 pips, and that paid out $181. Moving on to the next trade, which is the pound Aussie. Another one I wanted to be selling directly from the daily trade plan. Let's see where I got in at. So let's see where the arrows are. Way back here. No blue arrows in between. I knew it was going to go down. Everything was screaming to sell. So that's exactly what I did. I sold it here, and I closed it out being happy. Looks like with about 28 pips, and that paid out $187. Moving on to the next trade, which is crude oil. This one pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, it should be 22. So let's go run a check on it. I bought all the rest, by the way. Did qualify for a great way to trade. I was 95% sure I had a winner. Now I knew sometimes it takes an hour or two before it'll give you something, and some days are exactly like this. And we've already had the opening bell because it's 9:45 right at this point in time. So not a lot of movement. But anyhow, I still got 22, and I was happy with that. There it is right there, 22 ticks, paying out $220. Moving on to the DAX 30. Let's see how this looks. I dropped it down to the 5 minutes to get a reading. Today was not a big move, especially for the DAX 30. The market's not going to give you 1,000 ticks every day. But anyhow, did a bit of a pullback. It went up. I actually had a couple of distractions, or else I would have sold it out on this cashed it out at this arrow. But I missed it. And I'm glad I'm out of the trade now, because I'd be losing. Remember, important, very important that you have trade management in order. So I took the money and divided it by $3.75. Calculator says it should be around 65. And it looks like that's as close as I'm going to be able to get. 65 times the money paid out $243. Moving right along to the next trade, which is the Russell. This one pays $10 for each tick, so this should be 31, looks like. Let's bring the blue box in properly. There it is, looking perfect. Drag and drop this up. Let's see. Opening bell, no big surprise. Love my pip trigger. It was telling me way back here, especially when the two moving averages crossed, that opening bell, it was going to go up. Anyhow, I closed out the trade because I was happy at that point in time. So should have about, or should show 31. Let's see what it did go up to. 141. I could have made over 100 ticks more, a lot more. But anyhow, can't cry over what I missed. Like I said, it should be 31, and there it is right there. And that paid out $310. Moving on to the next trade, which is gold. This one pays $10. For each tick, looking at the money, it should be 39.6 actually. So anyhow, let's just go with the 39 on this gold. Let's bring this blue box in. All you got to do is one time frame, any time frame, just change it and go back. It brings the box in, the color, fills it in. So 39, let's see, 39. I'd be up 110 right now, but I was happy with the 39. There it is right there. Very, very close to the 39.6. So it's 39. Let's just go with the 39, paying out $396. Moving right along to the last trade, NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. Let's see where I got in at. Wanted to be buying it, qualified for a great way to trade when I took the trade. So from this entry point to closing should be around 25. There it is right there, 25. You remove the last two digits, and that paid out $514. So another great day of trading using my pip trigger. I added up all the pips and the ticks, and I knew it was going to be over 200. Grand total was 304, and that paid out $2,490. So if you are interested, I recommend getting the pip trigger, especially if your system's not doing a great job. And don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now, to get a lot more information, contact information, you just have to look right below this video. So let's say this is the video. All you got to do is look right below the video. You'll see this button that says show more. All you got to do is click on it. It opens up another window. As I mentioned a few times, I prefer Skype. Made it easy for you. Even if you think you don't have Skype, all you have to do is click on this link. We will have Skype connection, and I can answer your questions. Please keep in mind there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You're going to need a lot of chart time. You're going to need a lot of demo trading, a lot of education, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. As you scroll down, you'll see 4 different packages. Now, I do have 4 different packages. I normally charge $250 each one, as you can see. Special offer, like if you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 for free. That's one offer I'm having. And now my special offer that ends today at midnight is if you buy package either 1 or 2 or 3, I'll give you the package number 4, Easy Trader System with the Super Signal Indicator, for only $50 more. So it's $250 plus 50 is $300. Now that is a 40% discount. Please keep in mind that the Super Signal Indicator, the pip trigger like it is, does not automatically include the super signal indicator. So if you want to get it, let's say you buy the pip trigger system, for $50 more you'll get the super signal indicator. All the training videos, the bulk of them, are in package 1 and 2. 2 is how I trade live. 22 videos here, 20 videos here. Each video is up to approximately 30 minutes long each. And of course, number 3, my daily trade plan EA, has 4 videos. I focus on the 3 different sessions, and the same as the Easy Trader, 4 videos focusing on the trading sessions, and of course how to use it. Now if you continue to scroll down, I go into more detail each package, exactly what I'm teaching. So I teach a real lot how to trade all these different ways. If you scroll down some more, how I trade live, all the steps I go through as I'm trading, starting with the daily trade plan EA, and all of these plus many more trading tips. Scroll down some more. There's the daily trade plan here, and the super signal is in this package, as I mentioned, showing the 3 different sessions. Now if you have any questions, comments, or you want to buy, simple, pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. I'm in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. You could also send me an email right here, my email address. Now I do prefer Skype, as I mentioned before. Just click on here. Now I want to make a information or note to you that once you buy it, you own it, you have it. There's no way I can take it back. It does take me many hours to put it together, and I don't like working for free. And so for that particular reason, please note that there are no refunds. So it's just about time to wrap up this video, and of course if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.